Welcome to training session number 2, lesson number 7, creating a stock order. To create a stock order, we'll be going to the stock orders link under the order receiving area on the main tab. The stock order form can be used to order items that will go into inventory of the clinic. Generally speaking, items going into inventory would be commonly sold products that are nice to have on hand. To create a new stock order, we click the New button. The order date will be pre-populated with the current day's date. You can change this if necessary. The Need by Date could be used to notify the vendor that items ordered are needed by a specific date. Next, we need to select a vendor, the clinic to ship the aids to, and the clinic to bill the aids to. Next, we need to select the items to be ordered. If you know the item number, you can type it directly into the item numbers box. If you do not know the item number, you can select from the list. This list displays all items from the vendor we have selected. In this case, it is Starkey. Once we have chosen the vendor and displayed the list of items from that vendor, we can filter the list by item type or by model. Now we just need to find our item on the list. Once we find the item, we simply click the item, which will copy it into the order line items. Now we need to select a quantity, fill out a RIC length and a shell color if applicable, and if the product is non-refundable, we need to click the non-refundable checkbox. Next, we click Submit. You can continue this procedure until you have added all the items that you need for your order. While we're here, I'd like to point out one thing. Some vendors may offer items at a discount rate if they are non-refundable. If this is the case, simply click the non-refundable checkbox when entering the item. Now that all items have been successfully entered, below you will see a comments area and a shipping instructions area. Here you can add general comments or shipping instructions for the vendor. The text entered in these fields will be printed on the order form. Once we have completed filling out our order form, we simply click OK. Our order has now been saved. To print out our completed order, we simply click on the Print Order Form button. After a stock order has been created, it can be edited anytime until one of the items within the order has been received. When at least one item has been received within the order is no longer editable. To edit a stock order, we simply pick the order, click on Edit. To edit one of our items, we simply click the item, click on the Edit button, and our item will be pre-populated in the line above. We can now make changes as needed. Once our changes are complete, we simply click the Submit button. If we'd like to remove an item from the list, we simply highlight the item and click on the Remove button. Once our changes have been made, we simply click the OK button to save them. I'd like to point out here that stock transfer orders cannot be edited. They are created automatically within the inventory module and are used to show that items are in transit to another clinic. There'll be more on this in another lesson. That completes training session number 2, lesson number 7, creating a stock order.